Hello, what's up, lovely people? Myself, Herschel. Today we are gonna unbox Alexa Show 8. Let's open the box. Packaging and the box style is very amazing. As you can see in the video, I appreciate Amazon for that. This is the box of Alexa Show 8, blue color, very amazing. Some Alexa and Amazon branding on the box. On side content, camera with built-in cover, stereo speakers, 3.5 mm audio output, Bluetooth, far field voice control, and microphone and camera on and off button. See the packaging, how the Alexa is packed within that cardboard or paper material. See, it is in black color and looks very amazing. The glass or the display is very much protective. This is the mute button and this is volume down and volume up button. This is a camera locker which can lock the camera, or we can say on and off of the camera. Backside 3.5 mm audio output and the power button. Then now downside Amazon branding. We will see the contents inside the box. In the box you can see 30-watt charger, on the charger also Amazon branding is there. On the back side of the speaker it is having 2 to 3 speakers. The audio quality is the bestest one. I tried the bass also. The bass is the best as compared to other Google Home Mini and Google Home other devices and all. Inside it you can get a information guide and all, telling about the Alexa and warranty card and all, some important informations. It is having a 8HD smart display plus Alexa. Side content, camera with built-in cover, stereo speakers, 3.5 mm audio output, Bluetooth, far field voice control, and microphone and camera on and off button. See, it is in black color and looks very amazing. So this is Alexa. There is volume up and down button. One is for mute. When this button is on, a red light is on upside and a red line is seen down. Now when we on this feature, so no one can command Alexa. This is showing some recent games and all. Now I have unmuted the Alexa Show 8. Nothing Alexa. From when we slide from up to down, so it will show home button, brightness increasing and decreasing, and do not disturb settings. For home, if we click on home, so you'll get the home. And for brightness, see, it can increase brightness to this much. Now when we on do not disturb button, obviously no one can call on this Alexa and no one can disturb. Now let's open the setting. First it is having Bluetooth. Bluetooth, we can connect our Bluetooth devices with it, control it. Now network, we can connect Alexa with our Wi-Fi. See here we can add a network. There are Wi-Fi options. These are the few paired ones and few this is connected one. Now let's talk about display and brightness. Display and brightness, same the thing. Adaptive brightness is feature is there. Sunrise effect is there. By sunrise effect, display grade full simile sunrise lighting beginning 15 minutes before alarm set for 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Now let's talk about wallpaper and clock. In this many wallpapers are there. 24-hour clock format is also there. Ambient clock is also there. Ambient clock display a clock when your device is inactive. When you can see it as always on display. Now night mode it has some advanced options, which means these are only now wallpapers. Pre-installed are seasonal, nature, travel, art, illustration, minimal. For example, I said nature. Now let's see how is the wallpaper. See, now it will show nature related wallpapers on your Alexa. Show it. It is now having a camera on and off switch by which we can off our Alexa's camera so that our privacy cannot get misused by camera. When we swipe from right to left, we can see more features of our Alexa. Here are games, play some songs of an special means a particular artist, remind me to call my mother on Saturday. You can put reminders, alarm, and many more. How can I link my photos? It also shows help features. If you are facing problems in selecting or linking the photos, you can click on this and get the help. How's the weather in Chandigarh this weekend? Now it is having communicate feature also. By communicate features, we can call to our known persons. We can drop in, announce, call, message, or show contacts. Drop in, if see, let's see, drop in. For this, it is connected to some other device. Drop in, announce. Let's see, we can announce many things like, for example, come to dinner, dinner is ready. Or we can also say it's time to study, let's go to study, let's go for a walk. Now call feature. By call feature we can basically call. This supports video call and voice call also. Video call didn't face any problem with the video calls and voice call. Video calls are super smooth and they are not having any disturbance and all. Messages, for here we can send messages and all. Let's see, show contacts. Now here it will show the contacts. We can directly click here and call the person. Let's go to the home. Now it is having smart home features. If we are having electronic items in our home like smart bulb, smart TV, or smart switches, by that we can directly say to our Alexa that please on that light, particular light, or Alexa please on the TV. These we can give the commands. Now music. In music it will show the previous listened music last time we used the Alexa. Here I can see some religious songs and some songs. Now Alexa can even set alarms, routines and all. By this you can set a routine. Please Alexa wake me up morning cause I need to study. Alexa can be used for many reasons. For example, Alexa, what's the weather?
In Aurangabad, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast is more of the same, with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 21 degrees. Happy Wednesday.
Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:58 p.m.
Alexa, open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
In Alexa, we can type by the inbuilt keyboard or by voice keyboard. See, now this is my channel. Please subscribe it. If you have not subscribed my channel, please go fast and subscribe it and turn on the bell button. I try my best to post every tech related stuff. Let's check the sound quality of this Alexa. The whole displays of 1080p 720.
क्या यार
We can see will turn into all the bass and every sound quality by your phone only. See, I'm increasing the bass of this Alexa. Volume of it, see, as I increased it to the maximum. Now you can also from here, from mobile only, from phone I can also change the name of this device, or I can change the waking word of my Alexa. Now I can call it Alexa Amazon Computer Echo. Now here more features are also there. Now if I want to announce something on my Alexa, I'll click on the announce button. For example, I'll say hi everyone. Now I'll send it to my
Hi everyone. I हर्षल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
कर लो यार, Alexa बोल रहा है. By this device we can even video call and voice call to other people. This is why Alexa is my favorite. Alexa,
It's 10:47 a.m.
See, even Alexa can whisper. If I'll whisper with her, she'll also whisper back to me. Alexa, what is tomorrow's weather? एलेक्सा, कोई चुटकुला सुनाना।
अच्छा बताइए, अगरबत्ती की मम्मी कौन होती है? मोमबत्ती।
I got this Alexa Show it approximately 12k. Now it is available on Amazon at 9k. You can buy this. It's a budget one and it is having all the features, and it will save your 10,000 Indian rupees, as because Echo Show Premium is having 10.1 HD screen only and it is costing around 23,000. I got this Alexa Show 8 in 12,000. The small one of 5.5 screen is of 6,000. You can go for it also, but I will recommend to buy Echo Show 8.